Need to conduct a patent search? In this video, we're going to go over exactly how. Just by searching how to do a patent search, you made the smart decision to know where you stand before proceeding with an idea or filing to patent your idea. So what is a patent? A patent is a legal document that safeguards a discovery or invention. In the country where the patent is registered, a patent holder has the right to prevent others from creating, using, selling, or importing the innovation. If you proceed with an idea that has already been patented, you run the risk of legal consequences issued by the patent holder. To save yourself time, money, and effort, it's important to search for any documentation that demonstrates an invention that is identical to or extremely similar to yours before producing and distributing the idea or filing to patent your idea. You can hire a patent research service to accomplish this for you, or you can do it yourself and save a little money. Before you begin, keep in mind that patent searches can be quite complex, time-consuming, and difficult to complete. If you do not feel comfortable taking on the job yourself, or if you do not have the time or knowledge to do so, you can employ experts to assist you. A professional search will likely give you a more accurate result and will provide you with peace of mind moving forward. If you are looking for simple, fast, and affordable patent search services, our team at PatentVerify.com is a great option and can definitely help you out. If you are wanting to try to complete the process yourself, here is a guide on how to best go about it. Step 1. Brainstorming search terms. Begin by jotting down a quick but detailed description of your innovation. Make a list of keywords and technical terminology that could be used to describe it as you go. It's important to consider the following: the invention's purpose, as well as if it's a functional or decorative design, whether or not the invention is a product or a process, the material from which the invention is made, the application of the invention, keywords and technical terminology describing the invention's nature. To discover the right terms, consult a technical dictionary or thesaurus. An example of this could be if you are inventing a double-edged toothbrush. Search terms might include toothbrush, oral care, dental brush, double toothbrush, and so on. Step 2, a class search using the PTO website. In this example, we're going to be using the USPTO, or the United States Patent and Trademark Office, to conduct our search. Go to www.uspto.gov to look up patents that are similar to your idea in terms of the classification system, i.e. classes. Enter CPC scheme and a keyword for your innovation in the search box in the upper right-hand corner. CPC scheme stands for Cooperative Patent Classification Scheme. This search query basically tells the site that you are looking for a classification scheme that fits your invention. You might type in CPC scheme toothbrush, for example. Then when you scroll down the list, you'll find dentistry apparatus or methods for oral or dental hygiene. This would be your invention's classification scheme. If your findings do not reflect the overall type of product you have designed, try using one of these synonyms you brainstormed in the previous step. Step 3. Pick a class. When you click on a classification scheme in your search results, you will be sent to a list of classes of innovations that describe in general terms the traits that differentiate these inventions from others in the general class. Choose the one that most accurately depicts your contribution. Remember to take note of your class's code number. This will be used to collect patents for related items. If the class you believe your invention might belong to is highlighted, it signifies the PTO has specified a class definition for this type of invention. Examine it by clicking on it. If the class definition doesn't match what you've created, go back and review other classes. If you have no luck, change your search keywords and try again. If no definition is provided, proceed with your search. If you are in the wrong class, you should be able to tell quite fast when you begin to look at all the patents. Step 4. View patents within your classification. Now, on the PTO webpage, select PATFT Patent Full Text and Image from the drop-down menu under Quick Links. This will be used to collect all of the patents in your invention's CPC class. Enter the CPC class code that corresponds to your innovation in the Term 1 box. Select Current CPC Classification in the Field 1 box. Select 1790 to present Entire Database in the Select Years box. Then click Search. You will now be sent to a results page that contains a list of all patents in your class. These links will take you to the front pages of each patent where you may read a brief description of the patented invention. Each one can be viewed by clicking on the patent number. Many of the results will include a red Images button. This allows you to view a PDF of the front page, which is useful because many will include a title, abstract, and illustrations or photos of the invention. Make a note of the number for any that appear to be comparable to your creation. Once you've done a comprehensive look, view the full patent for any inventions you identified as being similar enough to yours to warrant further investigation. Pay special attention to all diagrams and descriptions. Take great note of any legal claims made in these documents. The entire patent document can be viewed by selecting the Full Pages button to the left of the top page. Step 5. Review pending applications. If you decide that there are no patented innovations that are similar to yours, your final step is to check that no applications are currently being reviewed by the PTO that might be. You'll do this in the same way you would while looking for current patents in your field. Select App FT from the same drop-down menu as before, Applications Full Text. Enter your classification code, then select Current CPC Classification and search as far back as possible. Look over these results in the same way you did the approved patents. Step 6. Broaden your search if necessary. If your PTO searches yield no useful results, try refining your search. When you get no results, you know your searches are too restricted. If this is the case, widen your search keywords until you receive results you can use. This procedure will take quite some time. Continue to work despite your frustration. This is not an easy task to complete. If you are finding the job too strenuous or your own search has not given you the clarity that you wanted, don't hesitate to reach out to us at patentverify.com. We can help to give the information that you are after with our easy and affordable patent search services. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments section below.